Welcome to my channel. In this video, I will be explaining about one press working operation, that is cutting operation. In earlier video, I have discussed about what is press working operation. You can watch that video to know more detail about what is press working operation. So let's now discuss about what is cutting operation. Cutting operation refers to separating or removing a piece of material from a workpiece or a sheet metal using punch and die. So how can we achieve it? So this is typically achieved through the application of force by a punch and die, where the punch forces the material against the die, resulting in the material being sheared or fractured along the desired line or contour. So in cutting operation, we cut any sheet metal in a straight line or in a contour path. So in these figures, in this figure and this figure, we can see the cutting operation clearly. In this first figure, the cutting is done in a contour line, and in the second figure, cutting is done at a straight line. So here this is punch and this is die, this is sheet metal. When force is applied on the punch, the sheet metal gets cut out in a contour line. The punch is circular in cross section, so the product will be circular in cross section, or the cutting will be circular in cross section. So here closed contour path cutting is done. In the second figure, we can clearly see this is punch and this is die and this is sheet metal. Here cutting has been shown clearly. So here cutting is done at a straight line. Before cutting, the sheet metal was like this, one single piece. After cutting, we can see this is one piece and this is another piece, and the punch is different from the previous figure. Here the punch is in a square shape, so the cutting is done in a straight line. So there are many different types of cutting operations. Cutting operations such as shearing, blanking, punching can be seen here. So what is shearing? A straight line cutting process where a large sheet of metal is cut into smaller or more manageable pieces. So this is shearing. Shearing is done by cutting a sheet metal in a straight line. So this is die and this is punch. Punch is square or rectangular in cross section, and this is sheet metal. Cutting is done at a straight line. Let's now move to the blanking. So what is blanking? Cutting out a desired shape from a larger sheet of material. In this process, we are doing the cutting in a closed contour line. The product is like circular in cross section. The cut portion is called as blank. The blank is the part that is kept and the surrounding material is usually scrap. So here this is die and this is punch, this is sheet metal, that is raw metal. When force is applied on the punch, a cut portion comes out through the opening of the die, that is called blank, and this is our product, and the remaining part is called scrap. Let's now see what is punching. Punching is similar to blanking, but in this case the punched out material is waste and the remaining sheet with the hole is the desired product. So punching is like blanking operation, but in blanking operation the cutout part was product, but in the case of punching the cutout portion is scrap and the material from which a portion of material has been cut out, this is called product in case of punching. So in case of punching, also the cutting is in a closed contour path. So here three types of cutting operation can be seen. More cutting operations are lancing, notching, etc. So in this video I have discussed about cutting operation in press working operation, different types of cutting operations. Hope this video was useful for you. Thank you for watching this video. For more updates, subscribe this channel and hit the bell icon.